Builders and contractors, your customers want a low-maintenance deck, so why are you still quoting wood for your decking projects? From constant upkeep to rot and decay, it's time to build smarter. Find out why for over 30 years, and now more than ever, decking pros choose Trex over wood for deck installs. Pros know decking and extreme weather don't mix. Here's why Trex beats wood every single time. Wood means sanding and staining every few years. Trex delivers 25 to 50 years of low-maintenance performance, resisting warping, fading, insects, and rot year-round, with heat-mitigating technology that keeps it cool underfoot. Trex makes every build better. More decking pros are switching to Trex to help homeowners cut costs and boost their resale value. Homeowners save around 40% on sanding and staining alone. Made from 95% recycled and reclaimed materials, Trex is long-lasting and durable. And when it's time to sell, homeowners can recoup nearly 70% of their deck investment. Build it better with Trex from Kelly-Fradet.